In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank account with QuickBooks. If you're a small business owner or someone who manages finances, connecting your bank account to QuickBooks is essential for seamless tracking of income and expenses. Within the next 5 minutes, we'll guide you through each step to ensure your QuickBooks account is set up and ready to manage your finances efficiently. To start, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. Open your browser and head to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Once there, you'll want to enter your login credentials. Type those in? Great. Click on the Continue button to access your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're in, the next step is to direct yourself to the Bank Transactions tab. This can be found on your dashboard menu. The Bank Transactions area is crucial because it's where all your banking integrations will reside. This is the place where you'll be establishing links between your QuickBooks account and your bank account, thereby enabling the seamless flow of transactions into your QuickBooks system, ensuring you never miss a beat when it comes to your financial tracking. Now locate the Link Account button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the Bank Transactions page. This is your gateway to connecting your QuickBooks with your bank or credit card accounts. Clicking on Link Account will take you to a new interface where you'll be asked to select your bank from a list. If your bank isn't listed, don't worry. QuickBooks allows you to type in your bank's name to search for it. After selecting your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your credit card or bank account details. Make sure you have this information handy. QuickBooks will require you to provide your credit card details in order to create a secure and accurate link. Enter your details carefully to ensure everything is accurate, as any mistakes could lead to discrepancies in your bookkeeping. Once you've entered all your information, the final step is to log into your bank account through QuickBooks to authenticate the connection. This step is vital for security and to confirm that the information provided is valid. It's all about making sure that you are who you say you are and that your financial data is kept safe. Follow the instructions to log in and authorize QuickBooks to fetch transaction data from your connected account. Once the authentication completes, congratulations, your bank account should now be successfully linked to your QuickBooks system. You've just set up a direct sync between your bank and QuickBooks, allowing you to seamlessly track and manage your transactions with ease, and there you have it, a complete guide to linking your bank account with QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and keep those finances in check with your newly connected QuickBooks account.